1. 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod. Price, $22,500, located Reidsville, North Carolina. The 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod is a beautifully customized all-steel hot rod that combines classic Ford styling with dependable modern performance. Built for both cruising and everyday enjoyment, this vehicle has been driven regularly and remains a complete, functional street machine. Its timeless body design captures the spirit of early American motoring while incorporating upgrades that make it more practical and enjoyable on modern roads. According to the seller, this Model A features an automatic transmission paired with a mild-built Chevrolet 350 V8 engine. The combination provides smooth acceleration, reliable performance, and plenty of power for weekend drives or local car shows. The vehicle rides on a custom tube frame and is equipped with front disc brakes for improved stopping ability and enhanced safety. Inside, the interior has been fully completed, offering a finished and comfortable driving environment. The car presents well and reflects the care invested in its construction. Unlike many unfinished projects, this street rod is described as complete and ready to enjoy immediately. Its all-steel construction adds authenticity and value, while the upgraded drivetrain enhances reliability. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic steel-bodied hot rod with proven drivability, this 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod represents an excellent opportunity at an attractive price point. 2. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $42,500, located Bel Air, Maryland. The 1932 Ford Roadster is one of the most iconic hot rods ever built, and this example showcases the timeless style and performance that have made the Deuce Roadster legendary among collectors and enthusiasts. Finished in a striking black exterior with a contrasting red interior, the car delivers an unmistakable appearance that commands attention wherever it goes. This Roadster is powered by a classic 1957 Oldsmobile 371 engine equipped with triple two-barrel carburetors, creating a traditional hot rod setup that blends vintage performance with authentic period-correct character. Power is transferred through a 1937 Cadillac LaSalle manual transmission, a highly desirable combination among traditional hot rod builders. Additional highlights include Halabrand wheels, a quick-change rear end, and large Buick brakes fitted with new brake shoes. The seller reports that the vehicle has approximately 13,500 miles and runs, drives, and stops exceptionally well. Built with a respected Westcott body, this Roadster is ready for local cruises, long-distance events, or car shows. It represents a rare opportunity to own a true American hot rod icon. 3. 1931 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $25,000, located Orwigsburg, Pennsylvania. The 1931 Ford Hot Rod is a fully customized build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate unique craftsmanship and strong performance. Finished in black inside and out, this one-of-a-kind creation combines traditional hot rod styling with proven Chevrolet power and carefully selected performance upgrades. The aggressive stance and custom details ensure that this vehicle stands apart from ordinary street rods. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 small block engine featuring performance components including Scorpion roller rockers and a Voodoo camshaft. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a Stage 3 shift kit, delivering crisp gear changes and dependable operation. Power is sent through a built Ford 9-inch rear axle, a setup known for strength and durability. The seller states that the vehicle has been driven approximately 1,234 miles and has had 2 owners. It comes with a clean title, has no significant damage, and is fully paid off. Built as a custom hot rod and rat rod hybrid, this Ford offers a distinctive appearance and impressive performance for collectors and driving enthusiasts alike. 4. 1923 Ford Model T Sea Cab. Price, $25,000, located Glen Burnie, Maryland. The 1923 Ford Model T Sea Cab is a striking custom hot rod that blends vintage styling with dependable V8 performance. Finished with a black exterior and a red interior, this unique build delivers the classic appearance of an early Ford while offering the drivability expected from a modernized street rod. Its compact dimensions, aggressive stance, and eye-catching details make it a true attention grabber wherever it appears. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination is widely respected among hot rod enthusiasts for its reliability, performance, and ease of maintenance. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well and has accumulated approximately 12,000 miles. The interior presents nicely with a clean red finish that complements the exterior. The seller notes that nearly everything on the car is like new, reflecting significant care and investment. Fully paid off and ready for its next owner, this 1923 Ford Model T C-Cab offers an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a distinctive hot rod that combines classic character with dependable street performance. 5. 1931 Ford Coupe Coupezilla. Price, $79,500, located Harrisonburg, Virginia. The 1931 Ford Coupe, known as Coupezilla, is one of the most recognizable and extreme hot rods available on the market today. Widely known among enthusiasts, this legendary custom build has earned a reputation for incredible performance, aggressive styling, and numerous show appearances. Designed to stand out in any crowd, Coupezilla represents the upper level of custom hot rod engineering and craftsmanship. At the heart of this machine is a supercharged Chevrolet engine producing an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. The massive power output delivers thrilling acceleration and performance that few street-legal hot rods can match. Built to perform as well as it looks, the vehicle has become a proven trophy winner at various automotive events and exhibitions. The seller describes the car as one of the baddest blown hot rods on the planet, and its reputation supports that claim. With its unmistakable appearance, award-winning history, and extraordinary horsepower, this custom coupe offers collectors and serious enthusiasts a rare chance to own a world-famous hot rod that has already secured its place in automotive culture. 6. 1934 Ford 5-Window Hot Rod. Price, $58,000, located Bloomfield, New York. The 1934 Ford 5-Window Hot Rod is a meticulously restored all-steel classic that captures the spirit of traditional American hot rodding. Finished in beautiful Washington blue paint applied with premium blazerid materials, this period-correct build combines exceptional craftsmanship, high-quality components, and timeless styling. Every detail has been carefully selected to create a hot rod that is equally impressive on the street and at automotive events. Power is supplied by a professionally built 276 cubic inch flathead V8 featuring an eagle rotating assembly, Ross pistons, total seal rings, Manley valves, and specially machined Offenhauser cylinder heads. Fuel delivery comes from 4 custom-built Holley 94 carburetors, while ignition is handled by a Vertex magneto. The drivetrain includes a Richmond Super T10 transmission, Hurst shifter, and Hallebrand V8 quick-change rear end. Inside, the vehicle features distressed Italian leather upholstery, a custom engine-turned dashboard, and period-correct Stewart Warner gauges. With fewer than 2,000 miles on the engine and drivetrain since completion, this outstanding 1934 Ford is ready to be enjoyed and admired for years to come. 7. 1931 Ford Model A Custom. Price, $32,000, located Macungie, Pennsylvania. The 1931 Ford Model A Custom is a bold and professionally built street rod that combines traditional hot rod styling with dependable modern mechanical components. Finished in eye-catching gold metal flake paint accented by candy blue details, this chopped coupe delivers an unmistakable presence on the road. Titled as a 1929 model, the vehicle has been carefully customized to provide both visual appeal and reliable performance. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 crate engine paired with an automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear axle, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, 4-link rear suspension, coilover shocks, and a strong square tube frame. The body has been chopped 5 inches, giving the car a lower and more aggressive profile that perfectly complements its custom finish. The seller reports that the vehicle runs and drives well and has successfully completed trips of up to 2 hours without issues. With approximately 12,345 miles shown, a clean title, and no significant problems reported, this Model A offers an excellent blend of style, performance, and reliability for hot rod enthusiasts. 8. 1931 Ford Model A Custom ACE. Price, $20,000, located Mogadork, Ohio. The 1931 Ford Model A Custom, known as ACE, is a distinctive hot rod that combines traditional rat rod character with custom craftsmanship and vintage Hemi power. Built from the ground up by its owner, this 5-window coupe has developed a reputation as a true showpiece and conversation starter. Its unique appearance and carefully selected components make it stand out among more conventional hot rods. Power comes from a legendary 392 Hemi engine originally sourced from a 1957 Chrysler New Yorker. The engine is backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission, providing a strong and reliable drivetrain combination. Additional modifications include a ZD frame, chopped and channeled body, 5-inch drop axle up front, and rear airbag suspension. These upgrades create an aggressive stance while maintaining practical drivability. According to the seller, the vehicle won numerous awards during its active showcar years and continues to attract attention wherever it goes. While originally built as a rat rod, it has evolved with custom touches that enhance its overall appearance. This unique Ford represents an affordable opportunity to own a hand-built hot rod with history, personality, and proven show appeal. 9. 1926 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $27,500, located Southington, Connecticut. The 1926 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod is a professionally built street machine that combines classic hot rod styling with impressive performance and modern mechanical upgrades. Finished in vibrant red with a matching red interior, this eye-catching roadster offers the aggressive look and exciting driving experience that have made T-Buckets a favorite among enthusiasts for generations. This custom build is powered by a newly rebuilt Chevrolet 350 V8 engine fitted with Brodix cylinder heads and an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake topped with dual Demon 600 CFM carburetors. The engine is paired with a rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 2800 RPM stall converter. Power is delivered through a 12-bolt rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears and Posey traction. The chassis features a California Custom Roadster's body and frame, a Super Bell I-beam front axle, custom suspension components, and four-wheel disc brakes including polished Wilwood front brakes. With approximately 5,100 miles on the vehicle and fewer than 1,000 miles on the rebuilt drivetrain, this T-Bucket is ready for cruising, shows, and weekend adventures. 10. 1931 Essex Super 6 Rat Rod. Price, $18,000, located Lake Harmony, Pennsylvania. The 1931 Essex Super 6 Rat Rod is a unique custom build that blends vintage styling with modern performance components. Unlike traditional hot rods based on Ford platforms, this Essex offers a distinctive appearance that immediately sets it apart from the crowd. Its aggressive rat rod personality and extensive modifications make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking something different from the typical street rod. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a matching automatic transmission, providing dependable performance and easy maintenance. The vehicle also benefits from a Corvette chassis and Corvette seats, creating a more comfortable driving experience while enhancing handling characteristics. Additional custom features include power windows, diamond-plated trim throughout the vehicle, and a 16-gallon fuel tank designed for practical cruising. The seller notes that numerous spare parts will accompany the sale, adding value for the next owner. Offered as a negotiable sale, this Essex represents an affordable entry into the world of custom hot rods. With its unusual body style, upgraded mechanical components, and distinctive rat rod attitude, this vehicle is certain to attract attention at local cruises and automotive events. 11. 1930 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price, $27,000, located Hageman, New York. The 1930 Ford Model A Hot Rod is a carefully built custom street machine that combines traditional hot rod styling with high-quality modern chassis components. Finished in bare metal with authentic character throughout, this vehicle showcases the craftsmanship and engineering that serious enthusiasts appreciate. The exposed metal finish highlights the car's history and gives it a unique appearance that attracts attention everywhere it travels. Built on a premium TCI chassis, this hot rod features a dropped front axle, front disc brakes, adjustable rear coilover suspension, and a Curry Ford 9-inch rear end with an aluminum center section. These components provide improved handling, ride quality, and durability. Power comes from a dependable small-block V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, creating a combination known for reliability and strong performance. According to the seller, the vehicle has been registered, insured, and regularly driven. The custom setup was designed to comfortably accommodate taller drivers, while the authentic lettering discovered beneath the old paint adds additional character. Ready to cruise immediately, this 1930 Ford Model A Hot Rod offers style, performance, and individuality in one impressive package. 12. 1946 Ford Pickup Street Rod. Price, $25,000, located Mechanicsville, Virginia. The 1946 Ford Pickup Street Rod is a unique custom truck that combines components from multiple generations of Ford vehicles to create a reliable and eye-catching cruiser. Built with a classic 1946 Ford cab, a 1935 grille, a 1950 frame, and a 1940 front end, this pickup represents a creative blend of vintage Ford history and modern hot rod performance. Its distinctive appearance ensures it stands out at cruise nights, local shows, and weekend gatherings. Power is supplied by a strong 460 cubic inch V8 engine connected to a dependable C6 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is further enhanced by a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle and front disc brakes, providing solid performance and improved stopping capability. The combination delivers excellent highway manners while maintaining the rugged personality expected from a classic street rod truck. The seller reports that the truck runs exceptionally well and has successfully completed multiple long-distance trips between Virginia and Pennsylvania. Offered due to an excess of projects, this custom-built Ford presents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a dependable classic truck with proven road-going capability and unmistakable vintage style.